Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Ever wondered when to buy and sell? Well, today we'll look at key levels for XRP or Ripple. In this video, I'll explain how I got to the conclusion, what Ripple is all about, and we'll have a look at the key levels. My own calculations using the stock to flow as an indication. We've seen the stock to flow in Bitcoin is a great indication of potential price levels which Bitcoin can reach. By knowing that a lot of coins follow the direction Bitcoin goes, when Bitcoin goes up, coins follow. When Bitcoin drops, coins drop. Now I've made my own formula to calculate the potential levels for coins based off the stock to flow and Bitcoin. Looking at XRP, the best digital asset for global payments. XRP offers financial institutions the fastest, most reliable option for sourcing liquidity on demand. What is XRP? XRP is a digital asset built for payments. It's the native digital asset on the XRP ledger, an open source, permissionless, and decentralized blockchain technology that can settle transactions in 3 to 5 seconds. XRP can be sent directly without needing a central intermediary, making it a convenient instrument in bridging two different currencies quickly and efficiently. How is XRP used? Faster, less costly, and more scalable than any other digital asset, XRP and the XRP ledger are used to power innovative technology across the payment space. Ripple is focused on building technology to help unleash new utility for XRP and transform global payments. The third party are also pursuing other XRP-related use cases. RippleNet. RippleNet customers can use XRP for sourcing liquidity in cross-border transactions instead of pre-funding, ensuring instant settlement, lower exchange fees, and more efficient use of working capital. RippleX. RippleX is Ripple's open developer platform for money. Through RippleX projects, developers leverage XRP and its underlying technology in use cases for micropayments to e-commerce, to exchange and peer-to-peer services. XRP and the XRP ledger are open source technology that anyone can build on. To get started, learn more at xrpl.org. How does XRP ledger work? The ledger is maintained by independent participants of a global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. Independent validator nodes come to an agreement on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This agreement, called consensus, serves as final and irreversible settlement. The ledger reaches consensus on all outstanding transactions every 3 to 5 seconds, at which point a new ledger is issued. Anyone can be a validator, and active validators on a ledger today include universities, exchanges, and financial institutions. There are currently 36 validators, and Ripple runs 6 of them, which comes to 16%. Benefits of XRP and payments. Fast. Payments move across the XRP ledger settle in 4 seconds. Looking at transaction settlements, Bitcoin, 3,600 seconds. That's 60 minutes. Litecoin, 600 seconds, 10 minutes. Ethereum, 120 seconds, 2 minutes. XRP, 4 seconds. Scalable. XRP constantly handles 1,500 transactions per second, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and can scale to handle the same throughput as Visa. Distributed, run by a decentralized network of 150 plus validators globally. Established in 2012. Reliable energy consumption. All ledgers closed without issue since inception. Dedicated team of world-class engineers. Stable. XRP's 7-year track record of stable technology and governments make it ready for institutional and enterprise use. Eco-friendly. The XRP ledger settle XRP transactions instantly without the energy costs associated with proof of work or mining. But before we get to the numbers, make sure to look at Bitscap, all-in-one trading automation platform for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Best crypto trading bots, smart algorithmic orders, portfolio and demo trading. Everything you need to easily manage your assets within one interface. And the benefit of Bitscap is it's connected via API keys to your exchange. So you use Bitscap to do your trading while your funds is safe in your own exchange. Crypto trading bot for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like XRP and Ripple. Set automated trading bots on Binance, Bitfinex, Kraken, and over 25 other cryptocurrencies exchanges. The link is down below in the description. Looking at CoinGecko, XRP is currently the 6th rank according to market cap, with a 24-hour volume of $2.3 billion, standing on a market cap of $40 billion. At the time of making this video, XRP's price was trading on 83 cents, circulating supply 48 billion. Total supply 100 billion, and the max supply 100 billion as well. Looking at the all-time chart since XRP has been on CoinGecko, the price has started in less than a penny, with an all-time high of $3.40. Currently trading on 83 cents, the potential for all-time high is very, very near. But let's get to the key levels. What is the potential for XRP? Looking at the different buy levels, we have buy levels at 75 cents, 72 cents, 62, 52, 46 cents, 40 cents, and a low of 28.5 cents. Will the market ever drop down there? We'll never know. But I have an order in low just for in case for a flash drop. Looking at our sell options, this is the one everyone looks for. What's the possibility for XRP? Our first sell option is $1.04, $1.27, $1.62, $2.11, $2.38, $3.45, which will be a new all-time high for XRP, and the main one, $4.18. Leave me your comments and concerns down below. Do you think XRP will ever reach these levels? Have a great one.